I will know someone to my Ghana last year said August. I'm talking about helicopter crash. Breaking news about Bontia said Ghana. Yasia recorded helicopter crash bill. At this time, pilot menu na atuya na nanom e won siedo. Na wo hwe videos about Bontia Sania. Ha. Saso and a former NPP national chairman was Freddie Blay. Ebusha sabre police for action. Assemble nesi. Matumebo na makonsem into details. Masrawa so be share video wait no be chrawadwen amam your comment section. Who want subscribe here? Kindly subscribe to Trends GH on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Bibia Trends GH. Now you read this particular story with me because ya sempa and asan out to on my Ghana. Asami na say last year said August and just a Ghana ebusuya including ministers and pilots and government officials mako 8 omotua na nanom e won siedo after say helicopter Z9 e crash ye e wo oboase na ewie we musu na ebusuya breaking news about bonte no de e kire say Sky Arrow microlight aircrafts no de ukopie mu e wo Tema community 1 e ya bron ba ko omofra ho oniku e ho ye site 17 e ya microlight aircraft we a crash e wo preschool ba ko a e wo Tema community 1 site 17 mechre oniku ho pilot me no omutimu nyina no omo atoya na nanom e won sia do omo ahye dwerebe a wo hwe footage a etwagu a mo ba bi good plan so ya bi mo nta o gami kunwa tibe wena na kanoka ga ala ya bi
Fire assume school for number 1 in Jemka. We are making school for Yabani. Like say Yabani so we do. Oh, we are more pain with some my way now. Yeah, I think yes, hired Tema 21. Yes. I come to
school kwala any teachers ni nyina no sabria make say they are all safe ba kokrampo ni ho mo a ne ho atochema so eno reporter about bonten then the Trends GH your second latest update bia ebusua ye de baba besomwo na former NPP national chairman I'm talking about Freddie Blay police for watch no na ebi bisa say assembly nesi so assembly na ne say Freddie Blay and eno ya ba bonten say obi property a ewo ho ena Freddie Blay wasuma boys man de omegbeura so a oma say that property na nipa no report asam no ema police former asam no kra no ekopie mu ewo court that was last year omu ka ho omu di court akwane abasa court etonsa Freddie Blay na so nyade a Freddie Blay busua okopie mu ewo court enunti Ekropon circuit court issue bench warrant for Freddie Blay ne arrest sabre de Freddie Blay ebusia police for ensa akano video wa etwegu kra kire se Freddie Blay we kopie mu ewo CID omo headquarters one ne lawyer former attorney general Godfred Dame So police headquarters omo de Freddie Blay Emma Ebri police for Freddie Blay ne lawyer Godfrey Dami omo try say nanka omo be bail no. Na so enya de Freddie Blay ebusia omo ma ne bail. Sabre de Freddie Blay order so actually eye Ebri police for omo kukum. Na ebe no arrest ho ensensama from head to toe. Where a detailed report. This is the article. A former national chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Freddie Blay, has reportedly been arrested by the Ghana Police Service. According to a report by the 1957 News on Monday, March 16, 2026, the arrest of Freddie Blay follows the execution of a bench warrant issued by the Ekropon Circuit Court over alleged property destruction. The report added that the case stems from a complaint filed on February 1, 2025 by a landowner at Kitasi in the Ekuapim area. Police sources say the complaint discovered the damage during a visit to his land on January 31st, 2025, where he found that structures under construction on the property had been destroyed. The report added that investigators who later visited the site arrested 5 individuals who were allegedly clearing the land with the use of a backhoe. During interrogation, one of the suspects reportedly mentioned Freddie Blay and another individual, Nana Osai Ntifu the first, also known as Dada, as the persons who allegedly directed them to carry out the destruction. Nana Osai Ntifu the first was subsequently arrested near the police station shortly afterwards. Freddie Blay was later invited by the police to assist with investigations, but reportedly failed to honor the invitation despite indicating he would report. On April 24, 2025, Blay, together with Nana Osai Ntifu and other suspects, was expected to appear before the Ekropon Circuit Court. However, the court issued a bench warrant for his arrest after he failed to show up. Attempts by investigators to arrest him at his East Legon residence were unsuccessful. Police also reportedly sent multiple messages to him through various channels in May 2025, but he allegedly neither responded nor reported. While investigations were ongoing, one of the co-accused petitioned the Office of the Attorney General, who, after reviewing the docket, advised the police to proceed with the charges as initially filed. The accused persons were formally charged and arraigned on February 5, 2026, but Blay again failed to appear in court. The bench warrant remained active until his arrest on Monday, March 16, 2026. I know the report way na about Bontemre Echa say Freddie Blay, our former NPP national chairman, obi property, and then the Freddie Blay on the boys, any one on hene bakon omofra Nana Osai Ntifu the first, and then the Umbora Swa, Nipano structure AC, assassino Sunebusha, Omoseno. I know the Nipano report here, some Emma police for Ekwache 5 boys. I know the Omode backhoe and they destroy Nipani property Nebusia. Police for Ekwache Oma. Almost say, Freddie Blay and a small must say, Omonko destroy that property. Police for Echesa Nipa 5 together with Nana Osai Ntifu. I just know the Muko PMU our court. I know the court crown Omo charges na dia abomu. Now so Freddie Blay. Police for try several means send the Omube invite no. Nupomu invite Freddie Blay manager say Obaba court sada no. Now so Freddie Blay court ni mu a enya de a okopie mu court wo. Ni nyine ka ho na Ekropon Circuit Court omu issue bench warrant for Freddie Blay ne arrest ampaniampa and police for akwache the former national chairman of the NPP. Feel free na share what you your comment section ho. Na share video way Senebeya afufro so omonsa ebekebi macro ebusua quick one company a omo asase legit omo asase so ede bebie litigation free wo benya access to electricity any have water Landkin Company Limited. Na Landkin Company Limited omu chemu a omo asase no ebi available ewo Pokuase Hills 10 minutes drive from the interchange 70 feet by 100 feet. And the phone book called 255,000 Ghana cedis. Saso and a Pokwase Hills 50 feet by 70 feet. And also the phone book called 130,000 Ghana cedis. Saso na ebi ewo Ashalaja near Amasaman. And also 70 feet by 100 feet. No, call for 85,000 Ghana cedis. 50 feet by 70 feet. And also call for 45,000 Ghana cedis. And it's Masrawa Fred Landkin Company Limited. Naje wasase every omo number. Na egu screen so omo office so e wo Pokwase ahia.